Well, it is no surprise that she's right in front of me. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick little planner update, planner system update. Yeah, I have an Erin Condren coil planner in front of me. It is the hourly. I was going to wait and get the academic, but with everything going on, I kind of had to get this because my daily planner ends April 30th. And yeah, I need sameness. So I am going to show you a sneak peek of this current week, which if you're on Instagram and you've decided to follow me, you already know this. You know that, well, I'm back in the AC. So here is my setup for this week. This is the Happy Easter weekly kit from, you guessed it, Goldpaperprints. Today is currently Tuesday. We have physical therapy here very shortly, and then we have a meeting later. And then Thursday's gonna be busy, so I'm trying to actually just get this done now. I don't know why this is sounding like a vlog, but I'm also currently vlogging today, just because it is, and because it's a very busy week. I am doing a two-part vlog. So yeah, this is my planner. Here's the per weekly kit. And then I wanted to be a little more functional, so I got a few things for the 90s kit, and yeah, and then May is pretty blank. But I'm still trying to figure this whole thing out, especially with no school. Otherwise, this would be like legit hourly, and I would have, where's the page? I would have things like my husband working at 8, getting up at 6 for me, and school and all of that. I know this says gym, but I'm just giving an example. It would definitely be a little less decorative and more like used. So, and I definitely would not be ordering any sheets with the check boxes, I don't think, just because I do like these little dots that I got. They're the nude dots. They're individual from Goldpaperprints. This week I kind of just threw it together. This next week I wanted to try and do something a little different. Here is a before the pen as well. Try to do something a little bit different. Trying to do less white space, but yeah, I was trying to do something a little different of like marking that I need to get up every day early, or at least Monday through Friday. Every day is a potty training day, and then marking washing my hair and when she takes baths. So, which if anything gets changed, it gets changed. And then I was like, okay, well, what do I have? And then realized I only ordered a few sheets, so I kind of wanted to make it a little more functional. I have no idea what's going to go here, but I wanted to mark, again, hair washing and bath time, and then marking that every day needs to be potty training. Yeah. And then I have a bunch of planner cake stuff that I'm going to order, and then when the TBC sale, which that will be already done and over with. No, it will still be going on when I post this planner. I'm planning on posting this planner video on Friday, and the TBC sale is Thursday. So I actually need to mark that in my planner. TPC sale starts Thursday and ends on Monday. By the time this goes up, her new releases will already be up. It'll be up on Wednesday. Like I said, today is Tuesday, but this is my new this is gonna be my new everyday for right now until lockdown is lifted. Going to be probably making this just a fun to-do list for now. I do need to figure out how I want to do these pages as well as doing this. I think I might just take what I usually have. See, like here's April. I'm gonna probably take this and copy it onto here. I'll have it twice, but as of April 30th, I will be out of my dailies. So for right now, I'm just kind of playing around, trying to figure out what I want to do for my weekly. That's my daily. And yeah, when everything's lifted, I will definitely have my dailies back in here and make this definitely more of just a simple weekly view like I had done with my Annie plans. But obviously I'll have a heck of a lot more. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.